How to use Trust and Will online estate administration properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Trust and Will simplifies estate administration, but beginners often make mistakes that can delay inheritance or create conflicts among beneficiaries. The first mistake is not gathering all necessary documents. Wills, trusts, death certificates, and asset lists are essential. Missing documents can delay court approval or asset transfers. Another common error is failing to notify beneficiaries correctly. Estate administration requires clear communication. Skipping this step can result in disputes or missed deadlines. Many users overlook tax and debt obligations. Outstanding taxes, mortgages, or loans must be addressed before distribution. Ignoring them can create personal liability for executors. Neglecting to follow state-specific probate rules is another pitfall. Trust and Will provides guidance, but every state has unique procedures and deadlines. Always verify local requirements. Finally, some assume online estate administration eliminates the need for professional advice. Complex estates with multiple properties, businesses, or blended families may require attorney assistance to ensure proper distribution. To use Trust and Will online estate administration properly, gather all documents, notify beneficiaries, address taxes and debts, follow state probate rules, and consult a professional when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll manage your estate efficiently while protecting your loved ones.